Hello friends. Today we are sitting on the unwilling volcano of third wave. In case you have similar type of queries in your mind, so let's find out the answers with our expert Dr. Garima Srivastava.
I am Dr. Garima Srivastava, dealing with all the cases. So COVID-19 is started in March 20 in India. It came from China, everybody knows it. Wuhan, it started from Wuhan and then it spread all over the world. And COVID-19 was infectious, but not like the one which we are facing now in 2021, the Delta variant of COVID. The corona is changing very frequently this strain, and as this it is messenger RNA is changing its surface, mutant is becoming more and more infectious, and as they say this at present it is double mutant delta. So this delta plus is already there in our country, and it is more infectious and going to affect younger generation more than the older one. But the comorbid patients are always at risk, so we have to be careful about this wave and be prepared for it. As second wave, third wave is going to be more infectious and more mortality can be seen. So the government is preparing itself for cases in the hospital, for oxygen and the ICU for children and the adult population already they are preparing for it. So we have to be aware of this, how it is happening. As soon as we get the infection, we know the symptom, we should contact a doctor immediately and go for the test, the RT-PCR and other tests which your doctor will suggest. So be prepared for third wave. It is already there on the edge. Anytime it can spread. So we have to be careful.
What precautions should we take to protect ourselves from the third wave?
To minimize your outing as much as possible. For the coming third wave, we have to be careful. If you are not careful about it, then you may be infected and you may infect your surrounding, your family, your friends. Anybody who is around you can be infected by this. Use double mask and this surgical mask also can be used only for 6 to 8 hours. After that you have to throw it, cut and throw. Don't wash it and use it, because it is going to carry infection like mucormycosis, black fungus. If you are using a moist one or using a washed and using a little wet this one, the infection will come through it fungus is this black fungus in environment. It is there in the household things. You can get it from there. So when you are using a cloth mask and after that using a surgical mask, then be sure that you are drying it in the sun, not on the gate or anywhere. Use the cloth clip and dry it in the sun, then use after ironing it. Don't use moist mask at all, because if you are using that, the black fungus or any fungus will come through a moist environment. It is in the household things, it is in the environment, so you have to be careful about it, use of the mask. So if anybody is infected with this, first thing is to do is isolation and see a physician, go for investigation, get yourself isolated and take the medication prescribed by your physician as soon as possible. If you are little well, don't leave the medicine halfway. Take complete medication and get yourself free from the infection.
So what type of diet you recommended to the corona patients?
About the diet, it is very important, because the protein rich diet is going to help improve the immunity of the patient. The carbohydrate rich diet is going to feed the bacteria and virus. So avoid to take less of carbohydrate More of protein and more of fibers are helpful for to recovery of the patient and build immunity. Good amount of say take fresh fruits, nuts, and green vegetables and protein rich diet like egg, and non-veg foods like fish and chicken, and of course milk and milk products. They are going to help a lot.
In third wave, children are in more danger.
Kids are all the time affected more, but they are less symptomatic, and they are actually super spreader also, because they will get quickly well, and the virus will be in their system, oral or nasal system, and they are super spreader. You have to be careful. They are telling that this time the kids are going to be affected more, and they are preparing for children ICU and all that in hospital. So whenever you are going out, you have to take care that you don't take your child out, or when you are taking your child out also, you have to take precaution. You have to put the mask on their face so that they are protected well. And as soon as possible, everybody should get vaccination, two doses, as soon as possible to reduce the infection in the society. Although vaccination is also not a full guarantee that it will not affect. It will affect, but it will be of less infectious. And so to get the vaccination, 100% in the population is the only answer to fight with this COVID.
Asymptomatic patients are more dangerous to a society.
Those who are asymptomatic are super spreader. Those who are symptomatic, they know that we have got the symptom, but those who are asymptomatic, having less infection, they are the super spreader, because they will move in the society without fear that I am asymptomatic, I don't have fever, I don't have cough and this and that. Unless your RT-PCR is negative, your antigen is negative, your antibodies has come up, you are not safe to move in the society. You have to keep yourself isolated.
There is a myth that if you have caught by coronavirus once, you cannot be reinfected. Is it so?
Reinfection is with the COVID is very common, especially those who are comorbid like diabetes, hypertension, asthma, other diseases like cancer and all that, or blood cancer, some type of comorbidities there with the patient. They are immunodeficient, immunity is low, so they will get the infectious disease, like any disease, but more this viral disease and COVID, they will get the reinfection also. There is nothing like after vaccine you will not get infection. You may get infection after vaccine even. So after getting vaccine also, you don't have to be careless to go without mask or without social distancing or physical distancing or hand washing. This has to continue, I think, another 1 year. Until the whole world is getting vaccinated, we are not safe. And nobody is safe. Whole world has to get vaccinated, and everybody has to be careful that this is not going very soon from the world. And like Spanish flu, it stayed for 2.5 years, maybe it will stay for 3.5 years. We don't know. We still don't know, because this is changing its mutation every now and then. And I think some more than 50 or 60 strain are already mutated, and it is in the all over the world is circulating. How quickly it changes, we don't know. But still, there are so many variants we have found in the coronavirus that it is difficult to say when it will finish. This awareness should come in in the society, in the country, in the world all over, that uh, how to tackle this, the two-way. First, the social distancing, mask and the washing, and the another one getting the jab, two jabs.
Thank you for your valuable suggestions and guidance. Friends, if you're willing to get such a valuable information on various topics, please subscribe the channel, click the like button and share this link with your family and friends so that they can also benefit it from such an important information. Thank you.